Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming you have an active Microsoft account and payment method. Sign in to account. Microsoft. Com with your usual email and password. Ensure you have at least one Xbox console or the Xbox app on PC. Confirm a payment method like a credit card or PayPal is added and verified. Keep to 5 ready if a trial converts to a paid plan. Also check regional availability for Game Pass Ultimate in your country. Have 500 Microsoft Rewards points so you can reach level 2 faster. Open the Microsoft Store or the Xbox app on your console or PC. Select Xbox Game Pass Ultimate and choose Start Trial or Subscribe Now. Trials can be 30-day or introductory offers for some times. Add your payment method and confirm the recurring billing terms before checkout. After purchase, link your Xbox profile to redeem Game Pass benefits immediately. Download included games or use Cloud Play on supported devices right away. Also enable two-factor authentication to protect your account and subscriptions. Microsoft Rewards Level 2 unlocks after you earn 500 points within 1 month. Focus on daily quizzes, searches on Bing, and Xbox quests to accumulate points. Complete Xbox mobile app or console quests for 50 to 100 points each day. Redeem points for Game Pass extensions or Microsoft Store credit when you hit your goal. Check the rewards dashboard weekly to track progress and streaks. Finally, enable automatic point redemption for some offers to save time and money. Keep notifications and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.